Guys, all right, so I'm gonna start off doing my brows. My brows literally look a hot mess. Like, can y'all see? Oh, and my nails, oh my gosh. Yeah, my brows look a hot mess. I'm just gonna go ahead and tweeze them using my Anastasia Beverly Hills tweezers. So how have you guys been? I am back with my videos. I told you guys I'm trying to post a video like every day this week. So hopefully that happens. I'm just gonna pluck a little bit just to clean them up because I'm not gonna really define them and pluck a lot of hairs. So I'm trying to grow my eyebrows out. I really want my eyebrows to be fuller and more defined, and it's just growing hair but not in the places I need it to be. So the struggle. So recently I looked into doing microblading. Like, let me know down in the comment section if any of you guys got your brows microbladed, because I'm thinking about doing that. I just want it to be a little bit thicker and it ain't growing in the places I need it to grow. So yeah, I've been looking into that and I'm thinking about getting it done. I just want to research it more and really understand what it is and make sure I go to the right person to do it and stuff like that, because I've seen some people get like bad reactions to it, and I just want to take my time and do my research first before I just go ahead and do it. Yeah. Oh, and I'm gonna vlog it when I get it done. Yeah, I'm just so excited for the New Year's. Like, I love starting fresh. Like, I just feel refreshed, and I know I'm gonna be posting more, y'all. Don't leave me, okay? I definitely plan on posting a lot more weekly. Oh my gosh, I promise. I know I said that at the beginning of this year, and I was posting a lot at the beginning of this year, and I just fell all the way off. So especially on Instagram, let me not tell y'all about Instagram. Well, y'all already know about Instagram. I don't even post on Instagram no more. Like, I don't know, like lately I just been feeling like I'm motivated to do my makeup, but I miss doing get ready with me's. I'm gonna post so much get ready with me's and vlogs. I'm gonna start vlogging next year. I recently bought a Canon G7X specifically for vlogging, so I'm serious about it, y'all, because that camera was not cheap. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. That camera was not cheap, so I am serious about vlogging. Maybe I haven't started yet because I don't know, in a month it'll be New Year's, and then I just want to start fresh. I love like a fresh start. Y'all, don't laugh at my nails, okay? Do not laugh at my nails. Y'all know I always have my nails done, but honestly I cannot find a good nail tech. Like, I know y'all always see my nails done, and it's like, yeah, I like them, it's cute, but it's not perfect. Like, with me, when I get my nails done, I'm that very picky person when I get my nails done. If the shape ain't right, oh my gosh, I cannot. I cannot. So if you guys just see me plain Jane like this, it's because I just cannot find a bomb nail tech that I can just stick to. So with my brows, I like to take my razor in the front. So I like to just like press right here. Can you guys see like those little hairs on top? And I like to just cut them off like that, and it gives it like a more like cleaner look. I would just brush up like this and take my razor and just trim it. This looks painful, but it's not. You guys see how like it's super straight on top as well, and I like that look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue doing my brows, and then I'm gonna actually fill them in, and then I'll be back to do my makeup, because I already have an updated brow routine on my channel. If you guys haven't checked that out, make sure to go and check that out. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'm finishing up my brows. I just got done cleaning them up and they looking good. I just Can't wait to get them microbladed because it will save me so much more time. Y'all know, like, brows, they take forever. Don't you ever feel like if your brows are already done and you could just skip them and go straight to eyeshadow, and then your face, it'll just be so much quicker. I'm kind of scared because I never had anybody touch my brows, y'all. I never got my eyebrows waxed. I never went to a salon. Nothing. Nothing like that. Like, I've been working on my brows since I was like a young teenager. I plucked my own brows since I was little, so I feel like that's why they are so thin. Because I did them myself, and if I would have went to someone professionally, they could have saved some hairs, but it's okay. So I just used some concealer. I used the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer to prime my eyelids. That's what I always use, or the Huda Beauty, anything like full coverage I use to prime my eyes with. And if it's a light shade, the better, especially if you're working with color, so the color would stand out, you know, because you have a lighter base. So basically I'm recreating the look I did in my last video, in my filming setup video. So it was like a nice fall look. It was like a mustardy yellow smoky eye. I really liked it, so I'm just gonna recreate that for y'all. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. This is the volume 1. It's the purple one, and I'm gonna take the shade E3. It's this mustard yellow right here. I'm gonna start blending this in the crease first. So you guys, I have so many goals for next year. I'm looking to purchase a house next year. Most likely around this time next year is when I want to get my house. And I feel like when I do get my house, I'll have more time to film because of my living situation now. I just don't have that much time to really record, and I don't want to speak too much on it, but when I get my house, I'll just have so much more time to record. It'll be everything. It'll be my first time on my own. I'm nervous, of course, but I'm really excited. Very, very excited. And I'm definitely gonna vlog it. Decor, furniture, shopping vlogs. I love watching those videos where people are furniture shopping and things like that, especially right now since I'm looking into buying a house. I'm watching videos like that. So you guys, I also took that mustard shade with the same brush, and I'm just going to place that all over my eyelid as well, and I'm going to go back in the crease and blend it out. So that is really it for the eyes. I'm just going to pop on some lashes, and yeah, I'm gonna blend this area out more because I don't play when it comes to like unblended shadow. Okay, this is it, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side, pop on some lashes, and then we can get into the skin. Alright, you guys, so I have my lashes on. If you guys see like some little white spots on top, that's just my lash glue. It's gonna dry. Next, for skin, I'm gonna use my Creme de la Creme moisturizing face cream from Fleur and B, which is absolutely amazing. Okay. This is so, I'm trying to hide my nails as much as possible because they are a freaking mess, but this is what the product looks like, you guys. I'm gonna leave the link to where you can find this moisturizer, but I love the consistency of this product as well. Like, it's super thick and moisturizing, and it doesn't leave your face or anything looking greasy or anything. It absorbs in your skin very quickly, and they use nothing but natural ingredients as well. So I hope you guys do check out this moisturizer. It's bomb. And don't worry, I ain't forget about my lovely Pond's, but I'm here to show you guys new product, like what's out there, you know. So yeah, for foundation I'm going to use the Juvias Place foundation stick. So I'm blending this foundation out with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 flat top foundation brush right here. So the coverage is so bomb. I have like little dark spots and stuff right here, and I don't know if y'all can see. I hate talking about my skin because everybody's like, girl, what, like where? And I don't see nothing, but but it has coverage, and yeah, I like coverage. So I feel like with this foundation, don't go overboard. Like, I feel like one layer is enough, honestly. But it's like if you need more coverage in certain spots, like I'll just go back on my nose in this area because I want more coverage, then it's fine. But don't just do one layer, blend it out, and do a whole nother huge layer on your face. Like, I feel like then you'll look you'll look cakey. So I just went ahead and quickly clean up the top of my brows, and I'm going to take the same foundation brush to blend it out. So for concealer, I'm going to take a mixture of the Loreal Infalible Full Wear Concealer and the Nyx Cant Stop Won't Stop Concealer. So this is what they look like right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it underneath my eyes first. I love the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer, y'all. It is so creamy and the coverage is so nice. And it's crazy because I love this concealer, but I haven't tried the foundation. And with the L'Oreal concealer, I'm just going to place a little bit on top of this one. And I'm going to blend everything out with my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender. Set all this in place. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana Bread. And you guys, this is like a good holiday makeup look as well if you don't want to do too much. This BH Cosmetics V2 brush, I don't know which collection this is from, I'm sorry. I had these brushes for a while. I'm just going to set the rest of my face with the CoverGirl Matte Ambition finishing powder. It's in the shade Medium Tan Neutral. So next, you guys, I'm going to be taking the same setting powder, and this one's in the shade Deep Cool 2. I'm just going to clean up that contour, you guys, so it'll really pop out because my face is so freaking round. Quickly dust that away. And when I clean up my contour, I literally like blend this area out right here because this area can look a little ashy if you leave it on for too long, and in pictures it would definitely show. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with my ABH Dewy setting spray. Ooh, this smells so good. It reminds me of the beach. Next, I'm just gonna take the same yellow shade that I use on my lid, and I'm gonna blend this out on my lower lash line. And then, you guys, I'm gonna take, if I can get it, my Revlon So Fierce eyeliner, and it's in the shade Mighty Mocha, and I'm gonna place this in my waterline. So you guys, I'm going to take my CoverGirl Super Stunner highlighter in the shade Gilded Glory to highlight. After that, I'm just going to pop on my go-to nude gloss, which is the Wet n Wild Sin Nudes lip gloss. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I can't wait to talk to you all in my next video. Bye.